IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores.
Have you ever felt nervous about going to a new place?
Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I have. When I go to a new place, I sometimes feel nervous because I don't know where everything is. I worry about getting lost or not understanding people, but after some time, I usually feel comfortable.
Why is this a Band 5?
Fluency and coherence. Speaks simply but with limited development. Lexical resource. Uses basic vocabulary such as nervous, comfortable, and lost. Grammar. Mostly simple sentence structures with minor repetition. Pronunciation. Generally understandable despite occasional hesitation. Typical of a Band 5. Clear communication using simple language but with limited detail and variety.
Band 7.5. Answer.
Yes, definitely. I usually feel a little anxious when I visit somewhere I've never been before, especially if it's a large city or a place where I don't speak the local language. However, once I become familiar with my surroundings, the nervousness disappears and I start enjoying the experience.
Why is this a Band 7.5?
Fluency and coherence. Answers smoothly with clear organization and supporting details. Lexical resource. Uses a good range of vocabulary such as anxious, familiar, surroundings, and experience. Grammar. Demonstrates a variety of sentence structures with good accuracy. Pronunciation. Expected to be natural with appropriate stress and intonation. Typical of a Band 7.5. Well-developed response with flexible vocabulary and accurate grammar.
Band 9. Answer.
Absolutely. Even though I enjoy exploring unfamiliar places, I still experience a sense of uncertainty before I arrive. Most of the time, it's because I don't know what to expect or whether I'll be able to navigate the area easily. Interestingly, that initial nervousness usually turns into excitement once I begin discovering the local culture and meeting new people.
Why is this a Band 9?
Fluency and coherence. Speaks effortlessly with logical progression and natural elaboration. Lexical resource. Uses precise vocabulary and natural collocations such as sense of uncertainty, navigate the area, and discovering the local culture. Grammar. Employs a wide range of complex structures with complete accuracy. Pronunciation. Expected to be highly natural, expressive, and easy to understand. Typical of a Band 9, sophisticated, natural, and fully developed with excellent control of language.
Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.